Hi, everyone. I'm very excited to announce our latest feature that we've incorporated into the Metaweb Certification Course. That is AI annotation or AI assisted annotation, AI assisted discussions and conversations. I'm going to show you how that works. And then after that, I'm going to frame this in terms of how we'd like you to use this within the context of the course. So without further ado, we're going to share my screen. We're here on chapter 3, and as you can see, there are a couple pinned messages. I'm going to go to this one, number 7, question number 7. We see that there's already a couple answers that have been provided. The question is, it's a reflection question. Which weakness of today's web described in this chapter, chapter 3, the vagaries of today's web, concerns you the most? I'm going to reply to it. I can click here or I can click the plus button. I'll just go ahead and click this. So you see, this is the question that we're replying to. I'm going to break the rules a little bit. I'm going to say that my answer wants to say on a systemic basis, it's misinformation, but for individuals, it's scams. So I'm going to just put something in that we can start with and then enable AI to help us. I'm going to click here to activate the AI assistant. It's loading context, as you can see. At the moment, it is using the page context, the parent reply, and the thread summary. What do we want help with? We have a bunch of different options. You can draft the reply, improve writing, shorten, expand, summarize the discussion, explain context, find a counterpart, or add sources. I'm going to go ahead and expand it. So let's see what it gives us. Is this valuable? So misinformation feels like the greater threat at the societal level. When false narratives spread unchecked, they erode trust in institutions, deepen political divisions, and can even shape public health outcomes. Once enough people lose confidence in shared sources of truth, the social fabric frays in ways that are hard to repair. On a personal level, scams hit closer to home. Whether it's a phishing email, a romance scam, or a fake investment opportunity, these cons exploit human trust and vulnerability. The financial damage is real, but so is the emotional toil and the way it makes people second guess every online interaction going forward. What's striking is how these two problems connect. Misinformation creates the condition where scams flourish, and scams often spread information in the process. Both feel like inevitable byproducts of the integral accent Virilio describes, and both suggest we need better collective defenses, not individual vigilance. So that's I think a great answer for what I wanted to do. I like the expansion. I'm going to go ahead and just replace what we have. So it has now popped that in as our main post. You can see that it's 986 characters long out of the 2,000 that we have available. And I'm just going to go ahead and post it because I like it. Now you see that there are 3 replies and it's blue indicating that I have replied to it. You see my answer down here. Misinformation feels like the greater threat at the societal level. And if we show more, we can see also that it points out that it is AI assisted. I'm hoping that this feature is going to really unlock the process for a lot of people and make it much easier for you to participate and to provide answers to the required questions. The one thing that I ask of you, if you're using this feature, is that anything you post, I want you to be willing to stand by it. So all that means is go ahead, get the AI assistance. However, just make sure that whatever you post, you actually are willing to stand by and that you're willing to have conversations about. That's it.